Xiaomi m365 versus the Xiaomi m365 Pro. Look at this, guys. You can tell the difference between the two. As you can see here, the Pro version is slightly longer, the length, and especially the width of the depth. Of the foot neck, as you can see. And a new feature is inclusion of an LCD screen. Whereas an old one still remains as 4 LED dots. So useful, very useful. And the front motor hub now has a red ring around it. And this one I just added some green reflective tapes. There's a height difference between the two here. The stand. See there? Now the headlight test. The m365 and the Pro version. Let's try that again. m365 and the Pro one. Okay, definitely the Pro one's brighter. And you can see here they increased the disc brakes. Okay, they're widening it up, so it means you can brake all of a sudden, unlike the previous one. As you can see here, it does its job, but still, I appreciate Xiaomi revising that one as well. Yeah, let's see the bells. The Pro one, original, Pro. Alright, those are just the comparisons of the two. So yeah. Oh, actually, wait. I forgot to mention that the Pro version has 3 modes. Okay, for starters, this one I set up to Eco mode. Double tap to change modes to normal, drive mode, standard mode, and the next one is sports mode, meaning they go up to 25 plus kilometers per hour. And the range of the new one can last up to 45 kilometers in eco mode, unlike on the original one, as you can see here, up to 30 k's. So that's about it. Comparing the two m365 models, the original one and the Pro version, which came out 2019, and I got my old one from last year, 2018. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. So if you guys want to see more videos like this between the two, or shorter tests m365 Pro's performance, leave a like and please subscribe, or yeah, just comment below this. So thanks for watching. Thank you. See ya. Bye. Forgot to add this to the video, but before the mechanism has been revised, so at this point, the weakest point is, as you can see here, it has been totally revised, so it won't rattle anymore. Like an old one. You see here? No rattling in the new one. It's stiff. The lever here is increased slightly upwards and it's a bit curvy too. Yeah, and different. By the way, the power outage is 300 watts on the new one, base one, and the old one is 250 watts. Peak power up to 1000 watts, and the old one 700 watts. Yeah, and the battery capacity has been increased on the Pro version from 12,800 milliamp hour versus the old one 7,800 milliamp hour. So there you go, guys. Here's the foot deck. You can check the link for yourself here. Alright guys, so that's the one. So I'm gonna give this to one of my family members, and this will be my daily drive to in and out. Pretty much go to work or mall or whatever. So yeah, looking forward to this new toy word of mine. So thank you Xiaomi, and thank you 9bar for designing this.